Hello my dears. In the previous class we discussed about mensuration. We were dealing with the chapter mensuration and exercise 10.3. Today we can deal with question number 4, 5 and 6. Question number 4 says that the area of a rectangular garden 50 meter long is 300 square meter. Find the width of the garden. See, this is our garden and they have given the inner area, that means that is 300 square meter. It is 300 square meter. Find the width of the garden, and they have given one more thing, that is 50 meter. Length is 50 meter. We should find out the width. They have given the length as 50 meter and width we are required to find. So we can write the given data. Length equal to length equal to 50 meter and area equal to 300 square meter or meter square. In both the ways you can write. And one more thing, we know that area can be represented by the formula as L into B. So both these equations, the left side are equal. So we can equate the right side. That means here area is represented as 300 meter square and here area is L into B. So we can write L into B equal to 300 meter square. And we know the length is given as 50. That means L into, then we don't know the value of B, equal to 300 meter square. From this equation we can easily find out B equal to 300. Taking this 50 to the other side, multiplication will be changing into division. So 300 divided by 50 equal to 6 meter. Why it is meter? Because we are writing the unit for breadth. Breadth will be measured in unit meter. I think you understood this problem. Next question is, what is the cost of tiling a rectangular plot of land 500 meter long and 200 meter wide at a rate of rupees 8 per 100 square meter? This is a rectangular plot. We have to tile this plot. Length of this plot is 500 meter and breadth is 200 meter. That we got from our given data. And we should find what is the cost of tiling this rectangular part if the rate for tiling is rupees 8 for 100 square meter. They have given that for 100 square meter, that means 100 such square pieces. See, imagine that this is 100 square meter. Area of this plot is 100 square meter. For tiling this plot, we have to pay rupees 8. So our next aim is, this is rupees 8. Our next aim is how many such 100 square meter pieces we will get from this entire rectangular plot. Okay, so for finding that, first we should find the area of this rectangular plot first. So area equal to, now we know what is the need of finding area for this problem. Area equal to length into breadth equal to, length is 500 meter into breadth is 200 meter. That means multiplying 500 and 200, we will be getting 1 lakh meter square. From this 1 lakh, so area of this rectangular plot is 1 lakh. Now we are going to find out how many such 100 square meter pieces we are going to get from this 1 lakh meter square. Next step is number of 100 meter square pieces equal to whole area, that is this is a whole area is divided by 100. We will be getting the number of 100 square meter pieces. Thousand number of pieces we are getting from this whole area. They have given one more thing, cost for tiling 100 square meter. Cost for, next step is cost for tiling 100 meter square equal to rupees 8. Cost for tiling 100 meter square equal to rupees 8. Such 1000 pieces we are getting from this whole area. The whole area. Now the whole area is divided into 1000 equal parts. So 1000 into rupees 8 equal to 8,000 rupees. This is the answer for this question. Next question is, a tabletop measures 2 meter by 1 meter 50 centimeter. What is its area in square meters? So they have given the length and breadth. So first we can write down length equal to 2 meter and breadth equal to 1 meter 50 centimeter. Area equal to, we are required to find area equal to length into breadth, but we should find the area in square meter. Here the breadth is given in meter and in centimeter. So first we should convert this whole breadth into meter, the unit meter. So this breadth can be written as 1 meter and 50 centimeter will be 0.5 meter. So 1.5 meter. Okay, then area equal to, by substituting length, 2 meter into 1.5 meter, that is equal to, area will be written as in the unit meter square. I hope you enjoyed my class. If you have any doubt, you can just ask to me through comment box. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe and support me. Signing off, Amy Bijoy from Max Ninjas.